I'm gonna put it right here. I want a key. I want a key. Look, it's a key. Oh my gosh, turtle. Look at this one. Turtle. Erin, come on, let's go in the cave. And there's the key thing. Look, it's up there.
Turtle.
It's a flower talking. Kinda. You should. Here, you should. What it is? Stop talking. So we're gonna go. He's right there. And I totally failed. And we're going in. And I don't see anything.
You see him?
I don't see anything. There could be spiders in here, but I don't know. Can't really see. Oh, what's in here? Spider. Ew, I just took something. I can't see anything in here. No snakes allowed. There's nothing in there. Crayfish. Is there any in there? Not sure. Let's look. Oh, no, there's none in there. So we're gonna get the key again. Gonna get another key. And I'm gonna do a snake. I'm gonna make something pop. I'm gonna make the no snakes allowed one pop. Ew. Okay, I think that made it light up. That made it light up. That's cool. I'm not gonna hear it. What does that make it say? What the heck?
Blue light. When you put it down, it doesn't go on.
It does. Yeah. Maybe it's because you moved your keys in your house. Erin? Where are you? Whoa.
Hey guys. Where's Erin?
I don't know.
Look at this.
Birdhouse camera.
What's this?
Look through the door to see the beehive. Oh, feel the fur. It's soft, of course. Who is it from? Rabbit and white-tailed deer. Rabbit, white-tailed deer. We're over here. That's pretty cool. And right here we have a black rattle. Oh my gosh, is that real?
Where is it? Is it moving?
I don't know. No?
Yeah, it's real.
It is?
Yeah. Yeah, say hi. Look, there's bees in the house. Come here.
I want to look.
Here's a different kind of snakes.
What house, Erin? There's bees in a house.
Let's go here.
What house are these? Oh, that one. Oh. Chimney chaps. Scary. See, those birds could be in your chimney right now. No. Oh. It's like okay. Eat my dust. Look at it. Eat my dust. See?
What?
Where's the beehive things? I don't know.
They're real bees. See?
What are those?
Bees.
Bees in there, yeah.
Birdhouse camera.
Birdhouse.
Pretty. Whoa. That's pretty. Come here. Oh, there's sounds like the birds make. That's cool. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Look.
Right? Woodpecker? What's in this mirror?
It just lights up. Oh my gosh. Look, it's a mirror. You see me. Oh my goodness. Wait, Erin. Okay, so in that tunnel when we first came in, do we have to use these keys to see what's in there?
Maybe.
Oh my gosh, I want to try that.
Let's go find out. Let's go
Okay.
back in that tunnel. Let's investigate.
Okay, let's go. I think we do.
Lola, did you see the bullfrog?
No, I don't think so, Erin. We don't. How do we see them?
Maybe it's like that really dim light. Okay, okay, I see.
See how the toad's different than the frog? And these are little tree frogs.
We can't really see anything.
I see it.
Huh?
Hard to see them.
I'm pushing my iPad with the key.
Okay, okay. I see it. Hey, you guys can see the bird? That's great.
There's a lot of birds up there.
Where's that?
What? Hold on. I just saw it. I saw it. Whoa. That's cool. Come on.
It's not real.
I don't know. I'm gonna point the camera at it. I'm out of my pocket now. Yeah, so. That's it right there. See it? That's the eggs. And it's front right there. See? It's pretty cool. Wow, Erin.
No, these are.
Fishy.
Look at that. Is that a beaver? How big they are.
Whoa. When I turned that on, water came out. See? They are so different kinds of
Look
fishies.
how big this turtle is, Lola.
Erin! Come here. That's not. Look. Erin, come here. Put your key in. No. Okay. Stand where I am. No, but put it in. Stand where I am. I know, it scared me, but that's cool.
That's my key.
Is that the owl? It's an owl up in the tree.
Get away!
What are you guys doing?
I'm in here. I'm in a cave. A real life cave. See, look at the ceiling. Oh no, look.
Dude.
You could be big.
What is that? No, put it back. Put your hand back on it. For the light. Ew.
Ew.
What is it?
Just check that one. What is it? Come here.
I'm gonna
If it was front of the nature center, catch it. Here, put your iPod on it.
But what am I on? Ew, what is this?
What?
It's a bat. It's a bat in a cave. Nothing else, hopefully. Hey, what's in there? Nothing.
Yeah, let's go back out.
I'm gonna sit over there.
Now we up there.
So yeah, we pretty much showed you the whole thing in here, and it's like 10 minutes long. So, say bye.